All right, we're on to another roof. This is Rob. We've did some work for him before, and we're gonna help him recover the rest of his mobile home. And he bought the material. We're just gonna show everybody how to do it. Very simple, very easy. This is Captain Squeegee.
Assistant.
Yeah, this is the assistant.
He's the assistant. I'm gonna be your assistant next time.
Oh, very, very nice. Very, very nice. You got cap sheet, the peel and stick. This is the best.
Very good.
So, we came to help her out last time, and we redid this roof, and look how nice it looks. See, we did a transition here with turbo poly seal, and it sticks to the metal. Water cannot get in. And this is what's so good about this. But I suggested to Rob we need to cover this, because he has all of this old asphalt coating that's cracked, and because it's cracked, it will cause leaks. Okay, I'm going to show you the cheapest and easiest way to cover a mobile home roof. There's no other way to do it cheaper. This is the best way, and anybody can do it. Only the material costs money. The rest is labor, but the labor is so easy, anybody can do it. Let me show you how we go about it. The edging has been coated. Let me show you. It's all aluminum coating and tar and everything on here. See this? And I don't like attach any material to that. I'm trying to remove the tar from the metal here. Let's see how easy this is going to be. Oh, that's not going to be easy. All right, so the next step then, this is going to take too long, and so let's put a drip edge. So when you put the material down, you want to go to metal, and this buildup of tar on this metal is too much to remove. So I had some drip edge lying around, and I want to see if this will work. We're going to put a drip edge down like that. Let me see if I can do that. The edging. So I want to cover that like that. Just like that. Okay. Okay. We got a drip edge all around. How you do it? You do it in sections. You don't have to do the entire roof at once. So we put a drip edge so we don't have to clean all the tar and silver coating off the roof. Now it's going to put the roll up in. To get the roll up here isn't even a hard thing. It's 110 pounds. But I have a trick. Let's try and see if the trick works.
We'll see the trick work, okay?
Yeah. What do we have here?
Nutrients.
Let me see.
Okay.
Dried blueberries. Look
Wow.
at- Very good. After putting the drip edge, you need the next step. You need some blueberries.
And after,
Mariachi.
And you call Rob, he will bring it to you. I'll give you his phone number. I'll leave this helping too. Hold on, mommy. Good job. It's 45 degrees Fahrenheit. And she's helping too. Hold on, mommy. Time to roll out the peel and stick. I'm gonna line up the first one. You roll it out. And now you can see this is where we stopped last time on an addition, and we stopped here and we made a turbo poly seal transition. But I told Rob the rest of the roof needs to be covered because it was so cracked and flimsy. So that's what we do. But I want to show everybody this is the easiest way to do any roof. All right, is that it? Bring it to the inside of that drip edge. That's what we want. And Rob can do that, he knows. See? I'm standing on the roll here. See that? You gotta stand on half of it. All right. See? I line it up. You have to stand on the roll here, otherwise it will move. All right. And that's it. Watch. Look, it's sticking to the metal. You almost cannot get it off. Okay, Rob, go that way and bring it down. Okay.
Now I think I can do it. Now I can do it.
Okay.
Okay, I got it. It's getting very sticky.
We cut the fleece in half. I use Turbo Poly Seal, and all I do is I put it on the edge there, just like that, just like that.
This way, everybody they can.
Anybody can do this. This is if it's not sealed, the edge here is not sealed, cannot seal properly. So what I'm doing is I'm adding a Turbo Poly Seal to do the flashing here, or the transition, or whatever you call it. Okay, like that. Okay, I'm doing the flashing around this vent. So, okay, that's it. This will never go bad. So this is the cheapest, easiest way to do a roof on a mobile home. If you have a leak, you need some help, any roof, doesn't matter what it is, we'll come out and help you and do it for free. All right, we are done.
Yes.
This was 3 o'clock, we were finished. We got here at 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock,
And it was a tough one. It was very hot. I think it's like 85 degrees or something.
I don't know, very hot, very, very hot.
Yeah. And thank God, but if you want to be the lucky one, you need to text us with your problem and we'll come and help you out, okay? Looking forward to see you. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.
Bye.